Okay, so this is a little bit of a bonus video. I just thought I mentioned when I talked about my 2026 walking plans that I want to crank up the distance I walk a bit this year. So I thought I'd let you know how I'm going. So what I want to do is I want to try and get back up to at least 4,000 kilometres this year. Last year it was only 3,700 or something from memory. And I want to do that because next year I hope to go to America and walk the Appalachian Trail. So next year will be well over 4,000 Ks by the time I do a bit of other stuff as well. So yeah, I wanted to see how I go, aim for 4,000. So progress has been slow. I've been away with Sam for a month or best part of January in New Zealand. So I only, in this 4,000 kilometres, I'm not including training walks with my pack around the block or walks to the gym or walks around the shop. I'm only including walks, like genuine walks that I do on this. So I'm using, to keep track of it, I'm just using my AllTrails data. So, which is from actual tracks, day walks or multi-night walks that I've done and recorded on AllTrails. So, keeping in mind that I want to get to 4,000 kilometres this year, it comes to per month, that knocks it down to 333.33 recurring a month. Now I've started off fairly slowly with my month in New Zealand with Sam. I've only managed 238 Ks for the month. Right. So I kind of expected it to be slow. We've just been touring around. It wasn't a walking holiday. We've been to Mount Maunganui, Taupo. We had a week in Wellington, more than a week, 10 days in Wellington. I did do a lot of walks, a lot of nice day walks. So probably the highlight of the walks was Tama Lakes up in Tongariro and Makara Walkway in Wellington. Mount Maunganui itself is really nice too. We were there just before the landslides. Some of these walks haven't turned up on YouTube yet, but they'll turn up soon. Since I've been home, I've done some day walks down at Fingal Beach and Rabbit Rock Circuit down on the peninsula, which are nice too, and they'll turn up in the future. So last year I was down a little bit. I think of 3,600 or 3,700 kilometres for the year. I was nursing a lot of injuries last year, and this year I'm feeling pretty good. Apart from the back, which I tweaked on the Dusky a few months ago, it's getting better, but like all back injuries, it seems to take forever. But it doesn't hurt when I walk anymore. It still gives me a little bit of grief when I'm trying to sleep, but it's getting better. I did manage to stack on about 8 kilograms in my month of doing not much in New Zealand. So I'm in the process of, at the moment, of trying to get down to about 100. I want to be down to 110 or maybe just under 110 kgs before I start the bib in late March. So I've got a little bit serious since I've got home, and progress is going well on that front. As far as the kilometres go, there's 238 for the first month, so I'm basically 100 kilometres short. I'm not overly concerned because with the Biblim and the Hyson coming up, I'll easily catch up some Ks there. So yeah, look, a little bit of a bonus video. If anyone's interested, I might even, before I start the bib, if I can get down to my playing weight of like 110 or a bit under, I might even put up my little spreadsheet and how I achieved that and what I did. So we'll see how that goes. All right. If I don't do that, I will touch base probably on the first or second Saturday of every month and just let you know how progress is going on my 4,000 kilometre ambition for the year. All right. This is really boring, but yeah, thanks for sticking around. Take it easy. See ya.